Hello everyone, welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is your love reading for August 2020 for Pisces. So let's see, Pisces, what is stored for you in August reading, love reading. So let's see. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Eight of Swords, Queen of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Queen of Rods. I don't know, three queens. Nine of Rods, and the likely outcome. King of Cups, Five of Rods. So Pisces, you love you with this Queen of Pentacles in reverse. They are self-caring. They are into themselves. Your person is into themselves. They do not care about you. They want you to chase them. They want the old attention. They are being selfish. They are in and out. They are inconsistent in the relationship. Although they are seeking the attention, and at times they show you that they are interested in you, but at times they are acting cold. They do not, or no contact mode. They are at times. It could be in August that they could be in no contact. A lot they act aloof, and that is what I feel with energy. Selfishly they are behaving. So Eight of Swords here. You might be feeling stuck. You might be feeling, confusion. It's a lot of, you are going through a lot of pain and, confusing state. You do not know what to do, like how to solve this issue, like how to communicate with them, how to get the attention from them. So this is what you are going through, Pisces here. It's a difficult situation and you're just waiting for for them to come back to your life, or just going along with their sufferings also. Maybe their attitude isn't right. So all this is causing you a lot of pain and sorrow. Queen of Cups. Now this I feel is like, although maybe they have love for you, they might have some love for you, but they also want attention from others. They maybe this person is at a distance, and they have emotions for you. That's what I feel, but they show cold behavior. Usually Queen of Cups doesn't show, but if I take into this Eight of this reverse, they might they have love for you, but they pretend to show that it doesn't matter to them, and they are cold. They are showing cold behavior, or no contact, or aloofness with you here. Now Six of Pentacles, Pisces. So Six of Pentacles shows that they have lot of options. They have other options. Maybe they are looking at other options. Your person is looking attention from others. They are enjoying the attention from others. They love getting attention from others. And that they show their interest. They are into that game player. They are that game player, who wants to jump heart to heart. Now this is not for all of you. This is for a few of you with whom this situation resonates, who have found their person on and off, and being cold and aloof for no reason. This is what I feel. For some of you, you could be getting a new person in your life who would be the Queen of Cups. I feel with singles, yeah, singles or people who are looking in love, a new lover is coming. New love is coming into your life, which will have this energy of Queen of Cups. Queen of Rods. Also, it talks about some communication between, either with their communication coming regarding this new love in your life for you, Pisces, or it could be also talking about communication between between your person, the one who is in this play aloof contact mode, no contact mode. A small communication might come across in August for you, but shows that they are still guarded. They have put a high boundary on themselves. They are still guarded. They're still showing some no contact. Once you communicate a little and they go off, and then again a very little casual communication, and they just again walk off. So it's like they have been guarded, and it is an intentionally they have put that barrier, because this is what I feel, that they love getting lot of attention from others. They crave for the attention, and they are a player. For new people looking in love, that's what I said, there is a beautiful person coming, very caring, nurturing, very communicative, very bubbly, very talkative kind of a person coming into your life, very expressive, I should say. And you have lot of options. Singles have lot of options to choose from. You are enjoying your singlehood, getting all the attention from others also have set eyes on you. So you are taking, you are trying to go, trying to interact with them, maybe online or maybe social media platform, or meeting people, friends in the group of friends. This also talks about meeting the people in your friend or friend circle. Yeah, so this is what is there, Pisces, for you. Now with this King of Cups and Five of Rods, this is the likely outcome, like you are, you are the King of Cups here. What I feel, you love your person a lot, you really care about them, you are, well, wanting the person to be back in your life, but there is a conflicting situation, you can see with Five of Rods. It's a conflicting situation, still indecisive, your partner is, your person is, and you are left in that lurch. You do not know what will happen forward. You have a lot of love still for your person, you think about them, you care about them, and even if they are playing games, you want them in your life. It is what I get. But there, the end result could be still a conflicting situations for those who have been indecisive. Could still, the indecision could be continued this month, for this month, what I feel. But singles having, with the singles, singles having good time here. Pisces finding the somebody in their life who will be a lot of, who will bring a lot of love and passion in their lives here. As far as signs I see here, there is Earth sign, this Capricorn. There is Capricorn, and there is Cups energy. You have Cancer. You also have a Pisces. Yes, you have a Pisces. You have a Aquarius. You have Aquarius. So yeah, Swords. So you could also have a fire sign in your life. So, but basically, I see it's Earth energy and air energy in your. These people. These people of these zodiacs are going to play important role in your life, Pisces here. So this is it. This is all the best, and hopefully next month is going to be a better month for all of you. And see you in the next reading. So if you do like my readings and it resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for putting out your time and watching these videos. Thank you.